Hi, here is the Pentax Zoom 70R overall conditions. Okay, first off it first. And here is the battery compartment. Twist it like this to open it using tools CR123 battery. Then we need to close it. Okay, and twist it by pulling here to open the back cover and put the film in by slide from the bottom to the top, because we need to make sure that the motor is fit into the center point of the canister. Yeah, okay, like that. Push it in, pull the film tip to here, and make sure the film is flat like this, and close it, and it will auto load. And here's show figure 1, which means that it can start shooting right now. Switch here is the on-off button. Then here's the timer, macro mode, and zoom. Viewfinder at here. At the center point of the viewfinder, you see there's a bracket. So you just use that bracket to end whatever you want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay, if it's blink like this, which means that it can't focus, then maybe I slightly adjust a bit. Yeah, like this means okay, then we just shoot it. And if it's have the red light, which means that it will trigger flash, because now my environment is bright, so it won't trigger the flash. Yeah, like that means it will trigger the flash. Then see. Then about the mode, you can adjust by yourself. This one is the flash mode, bug mode, but I recommend you just put it at fully auto will do. Yeah. Then this one is a rear reduction. Well, I have tried, no much different lah. Yeah. So we just switch off. Then the drive is timer, continuous shooting, and multi-exposure. Then you can zoom or shoot by yourself. And okay, this is the max. Click it, it will zoom to the max, so you can focus near a bit and shoot. And overall it's like this. When you shoot finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using. And if inside got film, don't open it. If not, the outcome will be exposed to the light and all gone. Then the back here, you can adjust the date by yourself. If you don't want, then you click the mode to here, which means that it's off lah, because the cross date function, the year doesn't come until like 2024. Yeah, overall it's like this. Hope you enjoy it.